Did you know that with every step that we take, it puts 1.5 times our body weight of pressure on each foot? So part of my self-care regimen is taking care of my feet. I found an easy way to do it in the comfort of my own home. So whether you have calluses, dry skin, cracked heels, ingrown toenails, or even maybe smelly feet, I want to show you a simple and easy but very effective way to take care of your feet too. The Fivona 4-in-1 Foot Care Set comes with everything you need. You're going to want to unfold the foot soak basin, pushing the middle part out, fill it with 3 to 4 liters of warm water, dissolve 1/2 cup of Fivona Salt Blend, and then put your feet in. Soak them for about 15 to 30 minutes. Use the foot file from the set. Start with the coarse abrasive side on the rough, hard, cracked skin. Use the fine abrasive side for smoothing skin. Give your feet and the foot file a quick rinse and apply the hydrating foot cream. Cleanup is super easy. You dump the water, dry it out, flatten the basin, and you are good to go until next time.